Hello everyone, so today I am going to show you a DIY Geiger counter that you can make with minimum resources. So please do not try this at home and do not imitate anything shown in this video. So here I have used an aluminium tube to filter out the alpha particles, and inside this aluminium tube I have put copper wire which is isolated from the aluminium tube, and it will act as a positive ions collector. And this wire is wrapped around the aluminium tubing to collect the negative ions or electrons. Now here I have used a PNP type Darlington pair to amplify the signal, and here's the buzzer and the LED parallel to each other. Now it will direct gamma rays, X-rays, and some electromagnetic radiation also, which we will test in a second. Now I do not have a source of ionizing form of radiation, so I'll just direct this. Yeah, it's glowing. You see there's some leakage right here. There's some leakage of electromagnetic radiation there. That's what we have to do.